So on the licensing, as I said, I'll keep it quite short. There are those packages that you typically get. It's sales, field service, customer service, and project. You can buy them by themselves, but really what you want is we want people to be purchasing more than just one application. So they can then get, if you buy the plan, which you'll see now, they'll get all of those applications except operations if they buy plan 1, but they also get PowerApps as well as this flow capabilities. A lot of people don't really know too much about PowerApps, so we'll touch on that quite a bit today as well. Really exciting and ability to remain agile as part of Dynamics 365 as well. The second piece you get is a thing called Plan 2, and that includes everything. So that includes the operations piece as well, which is your HR, logistics, and so on. They're very important to note is that the Adobe Marketing stuff sits outside of any of those kind of pieces, and that you can tier on either Plan 1 or on team members, which is basically a very, very light license, but does give you quite a bit of functionality. It doesn't give you lead and case kind of capabilities, but it gives you read-only access to lots and lots of data, and it gives you access to the kind of XRM capabilities as well. So when we talk about things like the common data service a little bit later, that's something that team members can also leverage, and they can have some kind of flow capabilities, which is a really light workflow that does across applications. So any questions that you'd like around those. So this is really around how we'd like to go to market. We really want people to be leveraging Plan 1 so that they can stretch across, our sales and service capabilities, our project service, and then also use things like PowerApps, which I'll touch on a little bit later, and Flow to then move data between all of these things and allow people to kind of have this one platform that's also going to integrate with Office 365 to leverage some of the productivity pieces, right? So pricing, just Marius, is there is no enterprise, professional, basic, essential. This is what you buy. You now buy, instead of essential, basic, you would buy team member. Obviously there are some slight differences, and on the public website there's the use rights associated to each license. You'd no longer buy professional, you'd buy sales or field service or customer service, or you could buy Plan 1, which includes all of those things. Or you could buy Plan 2, which is essentially enterprise, but doesn't include the marketing that the old stuff used to. So that old licensing kind of terminology is no longer. I hope that clears that little piece up.